Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Petterson, and I'm going to be your summer geometry teacher. This course is just like the course that we have at Oak Grove, except it's kind of a stripped down version. The assignments aren't as long, there aren't as many assignments, there aren't as many activities. You only get credit for this, you're not going to get a grade point for this, so it's either going to be pass or fail. In order to pass the course, you're going to need to get 80% or higher on each of the unit exams. The good thing is, on each exam, you'll get multiple tries to complete it. Here are the 10 units that you're going to be working with. They're going to be listed here, and it's going to kind of explain this opening paragraph or opening paragraphs, kind of explain what we're going to be doing or how the course is going to work. Like I said, you can get as many problems or many chances on the tests as you need, and the only thing is I cannot help you on the tests. If you have questions, you can ask me when you're attempting the homework, but I'm not going to help you while you're taking the test. Okay? The cool thing is, all the homework problems are also going to be on the tests. I've broken down the unit or the course into 10 units, and there's about 10 weeks in the summer. So if you do one unit per week, you should be on pace to finish the course on time. On the bottom of the page, I have the 10 course units and the time frames when they're the week you should be working on them. There's no due dates. You can work on these on your own pace, at your own pace, but these are just guidelines for when you should be done or working on that unit if you're on pace. And then at the very bottom of the course or the home page, I have my email, calculator links, and a course syllabus. My email will also be right up here. So if you have any questions, you can always email me and I can help you with your homework. The other thing is I have scheduled 4 meetups for homework links, Google Meets that you can work on also. Let me go into a unit and show you what it's going to look like. So the cool thing is that you click on the home page and then you click on that unit you want to go to, and it takes you right to that unit. It's a little bit slow because I'm recording. Otherwise, it'll go quite a bit faster if your internet is fast. So at the top of the page, I have some clip art explaining what we're going to be working on, all the video explaining what we're going to be doing, and then I have some resources. Now, the resources, I have 7 videos that explain how to find the areas or whatever the specific skills we're working on for that unit. They'll be up there at the top. Then I'll have a formula and help sheet, and the formula and help sheets kind of look like this. It has different notes of all the different formulas that we're working on. And a lot of you might use those resources to do this also. Kind of explains what a different transformations. Translation is moving, reflection is reflecting over a line, rotating is going around a point, and then they talk about the area of those shapes. So that's kind of what my notes and homework help or help sheets look like. Then I have about 4 or 5 assignments for each unit. Some might only have 3 to 6 assignments, I guess is what they are. And then at the end, there's a unit final. Now, there might be sometimes I might put some IXL homeworks in there too. So those IXL homework assignments you can work on as well. Now, these homework assignments are not mandatory to do, just like the Google Meets are not mandatory to come to. If I were doing the class, I would do all the homework assignments because that's where your test questions are going to come from. So in order to do well on the test, I think it's actually going to be faster to go through the homework and work on the homework before you actually do the test, rather than just skip through the test. This is the reason why you're not getting a letter grade. You're just getting credit for passing and understanding the concepts rather than getting a letter grade like you would if you were taking the class during the school year. So that's kind of what a unit's going to look like. They're all linked. I have all links. Everything is linked, hyperlinked, so you can get to it really easily. Let me remind you again that the summer is going to go very quickly. You have 10 weeks in the summer to work on this class. If you need extra time, you'll have to email me and let me know. And if you work on it and stay on task, you should have no problem completing the class. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.